Hello guys, it's Enchanted Lib. Today we're going to be opening some mail. So first I'm going to start with my Cocoburry, as I have two packages here. One is for Temu and one is Cocoburry. Now Cocoburry reached out to me asking me if I wanted to be an influencer, and of course I was like, yes, oh my god, yes, this is what I've been waiting for. So I do have a promo code for you guys. These are a little bit of expensive hoodies and hats, but I'm so excited. Oh my, okay. But these are a little expensive, but I can get you 30% off with my promo code COEnchanted. That is COENCHANTED. I am so excited, guys. Look how cute. Oh my. I know it's hard to see. I'm going to come outside today. So beautiful. Alright. I also got the sweatshirt, and again that's 30% off Cocoburry with the promo code. It's COEnchanted. I got one of the black sweatshirts too. Of course, black is a staple. So that's COEnchanted. And again, that'll give you 30% off. Oh my gosh. I did not expect it to be this good of quality. Oh my. I'm so excited. Give me 1 second while I try this on. So guys, I look adorable. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. Cocoburry. Again, that's COEnchanted. That's 30% off with my code, guys. Please use it. It'll help everybody out. And that's, oh, I'm so excited. It's such good quality. I expected it to be cheap. And I don't know why I expected that. I always just expect that. Ooh. My hood is nice. It's loose. It's roomy. You got room for that high bun. You got this. Oh my god, guys. Okay. So now I have my Temu. And I know that this is a hot. Now I'll put the products and the links as many as I can find, because some of these items did sell out. But these, I just had to order a few things. Everybody's doing a Temu. I have ordered from them before, and this is just like a couple filming things that I needed, but I figured I'd open it with you guys. Now, first, I'm going to start with this. I got this for my husband. That was, I know it's not a filming thing, but his birthday's right around the corner. We love doing resin. So this is like a little resin dragon. I'm just going to be so excited, because I got him the egg, too. So you can make the dragon and put him into the egg and make it all clear, and it'll look really cool. And so I'll have to do a video with him about that. I also got these very fancy stylus things, and they have the precision tips. I'm so warm now. It's a little chilly, but it's been such a nice day. Now they have a 2-pack. One side should be, that is on there, it's unscrewed. One side is the precision stylus. Here is the precision point. It has a little plastic disc, a belt strip, and you can get replacements. And again, there are 2 in this pack, so that was real nice, because I don't think I spent very much on that. I also got an aux cord, because who doesn't need one of those? And this is something I'm really excited for, because I have a selfie stick tripod, so that I'm not squatting like I am now. It came with, oh wow, there's a button, a shutter button, a light, and it'll hold your phone here. Now it folds out, and of course I will be giving these objects a try as I film, so you guys will be finding out how good they are. But I am so excited for that. Now, I believe it was supposed to come with a selfie button, but I have not found that. So, but it does have a charger, There's a button on it to take a selfie, so maybe that's what it meant in the description, but it folds all nice and down. Alright, that is all I have for you guys today. I really appreciate following, subscribing, all of everything, you guys. My fans are so amazing. I absolutely love everything you guys have put me through. You guys are like making my dream into a reality. So please share, like, subscribe, comment if you have a challenge for me to do. Now I do have other videos coming. I had one filmed, but it got deleted, and so now I'm filming another. But I figured I'd take a minute and I'll admire this. Don't you just absolutely love it? Alright, thank you guys. Have an enchanted day. Stay enchanted. Okay, I just messed around with it a little more. There you go. There's your selfie button. You can literally just slide it back out and it goes back in. I just wanted to share that feature with you. There's also a light. I am so excited to work with this. You guys should see the quality in my videos go up. Thank you again. Stay enchanted and please subscribe.